गेल्या सुमारान आमचे गोंयचे SSCचे रिजल्ट आयले आनी हातून पास जाल्ल्या भुरग्यांक आनी तांच्या आवय बापायंक टॅक बॉलकावांतल्यान आमची सगळ्यांची उणउणीत परबीं. तर ही आवय बापूय आनी भुरगीं आतां चिंता जातली की ह्या फुडें कितें करचें भुरग्यांनी, कॉमर्स, सायन्स, आर्ट्स, की खुबशे आमच्या गांवांतल्या तरणाट्या सारके बेगी ITI करून पोटाक लागचे. तर ह्या आवय बापायनी आनी भुरग्यांनी फुडलें पावल मारच्या आदीं 3 इडियट्स हें जें पिक्चर आसा ताची की मॅसेज मनान दवरून त्या प्रमाणे आपल्या भुरग्याचें नॅचरल टॅलंट कितें आसा, कितें इंट्रस्ट आसा त्या प्रमाणे फुडलें डिसिजन घेवचें. तुमच्या भुरग्याक जर टॅक्निकल इंट्रस्ट आसा जाल्यार SSCक मार्क्स कमी पडल्या म्हणून ताका तुमी चुकून सुद्दां आर्ट्साक आनी कॉमर्साक धाडचें न्हय. आनी ब्लू कॉलर नोकरी मेळोवपी हे ITI करचे बदलेक तुमी तुमच्या भुरग्यांक हांगा पॉलिटॅक्निकान धाडून डिप्लोमा इंजिनियरींग करचें. पॉलिटॅक्नीक हे ITI सारकें तुमच्या भुरग्याक एकदम हार्ड कोर हँड्स ऑन टॅक्निकल एक्सपिरियन्स दिता आसतना डिग्री इंजिनियरींग कोर्सा इतले एकदम चडूच थियरी आनी कॉन्सेप्ट शिकयनासतना गरजे पुरते जे आसा तें शिकयता. 12वेक सुद्दां जे भुरगे चुकून फुटक्या नशिबान फेल जातात वा जांकां सायन्सीक कमी मार्क्स पडल्या म्हणून इंजिनियरिंगान एडमिशन गावना तांणी सुद्दां दे शूड कन्सिडर कमिंग टू पॉलिटॅक्नीक. आख्ख्या जगान आमच्या भारत देशान आनी तशेंच आमच्या गोंयांत सुद्दां चड आनी चड फोकस आयज टॅक्नॉलॉजी आनी इंजिनियरींग बेज स्टार्टअप्साचेर वयता आनी हातून अदीक गरजेचें म्हणल्यार कॉम्प्युटर्स, ऑटोमेशन, रोबोटिक्स, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हातून खुबसो फोकस वयता. आनी सरकारा कडल्यान सुद्दां सेंट्रल जावं स्टेट लेवल गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान सुद्दां हे बाबतीन खुबसो सपोर्ट आयला आनी येवचो आसा. हाका लागून आमच्या देशान तशेंच आमच्या गोंयान वाडती गरज आसा आयज की आमी एक खडेगांठचो टॅक्नॉलॉजिकल वर्कफोर्स घडोवपाक. हे दिशेन जे आमच्या गोंयच्या पॉलिटॅक्निकांनी जे शिकप मेळटा आनी हे शिकून भुरगे कशे ताजो वापर करतात, कशें इनोवेशन करतात आनी फायनली प्रोजेक्ट जे एकदम खणखणीत करतात ते आमी आयज पळोवन घेवया.
सगळ्यान पयलीं
Our project is on smart parking. At the ground floor we have 3 lots and at the up also we have 3 lots. And there is a layout of that thing. The ABC is the ground floor and D, E, F is the first floor. Then we have used the 8 IR sensors. The 2 are placed at the gate and 6 are placed on a parking lot. And we are using servo motor and we are using Arduino. The red is full and yellow is empty. Then here the sensor sends, the gate opens and we park the car in a parking lot. ते पळय मागीर A parking lot red जाता. आता सगळे शौचालय फुल जाले. आता जेन्ना 7वी गाडी येता पळय तेन्ना गेट ओपन जायना. आता हांव आउट गेट दाखयता. काडली गाडी तेन्ना तो F एम्प्टी दाखयता, येल्लो दाखयता. म्हजें नांव शुभम भिडे, हांव बिचोलचो. Myself Vasudhandari, I am from Sanklin.
Myself Diptesh Kamath, I am in Gavatwada, Kumarja, Goa.
Myself Keval Loke, I am from Gowadama.
सो आमी हांगासर एक वॉयस रिकॉग्निशन रोबोटीक कार केल्या. वॉयस रिकॉग्निशन मॉड्यूल म्हणटा हेका. पयलीं एका ट्रेन करचो पडटा, आमी ते कमांड्स दिवपाक जाय. आमी यूज केला मायक्रो कंट्रोलर Arduino Uno. हे सिग्नल रिसीव करता एज 0s and 1 and this gives a signal to the motor driver IC. This is a LN298 IC. Okay, and this drives the motor in which direction we have to rotate.
जेन्ना आमी फॉरवर्ड कमांड दिता तेका
तो फॉरवर्ड वयतलो.
तो फॉरवर्ड
फॉरवर्ड प्ले करता आमी ते फॉरवर्ड वयता.
जेन्ना आमी तेका स्टॉप करता
स्टॉप जातलो.
स्टॉप जाता. जेन्ना आमी तेका लेफ्ट मारता
आतां लेफ्ट टर्न जाता.
जेन्ना रायट मारता
रायट टर्न फॉरवर्ड मारून.
रायट टर्न.
आनी केन्ना एक ऑब्स्टेकल जर फुड्यान त्याच्या येयले न्हू जाल्यार खंयचे ऑब्स्टेकल येयले जाल्यार तो ऑटोमॅटीक स्टॉप जाता. सो टू प्रिवेंट द एक्सिडंट. म्हाजें नांव सिद्धार्थ शेटकर आनी हांव रावता रावणा 70 गोवा.
म्हजें नांव प्रमेश बुडकुले, हांव सांकळे गांवांत रावता.
म्हजें नांव शुभम जल्मी आनी हांव हरवळ्या सांकळे गांवांत रावता.
म्हजें नांव चेतन चंद्रकांत जोडणकर, हांव पयरा रावता.
आमच्या प्रोजेक्टाचें नांव जावन आसा फायर फायटर रोबोट. तो नॉर्मली यूज करता वे हावजान. लायक इन वे हावज आमी सामान दवरतात आनी तें सामान जरी तर खंयच्या एका कोनशाक उजो पेटलो जाल्यार फायर अलार्म वाजता आनी स्प्रिंकलर्स आसता ते सगळे पडटात आनी सगळो प्रोडक्ट आसा ते पिड्यार जातात. पूण आमचो हो प्रोडक्ट आसा तो ज्या जाग्यार उजो पडटा तो थंयच वयता आनी तो आमचो सगळो उजो आहा तो पालयता.
This is a transmitter board
and we have designed in such a way that these 5 keys are the motion of the motor, the wheels. Second 5 set is the motion of the servo motor, as in the rotation of the pipe, right, left, top and bottom. And the third set of keys are to display the video signal, as in how the picture has to be displayed. ही जावन आसा आमची एक बकेट वेरीन आमी हांगा हितून उदक स्टोर केलां. ही आमी गाडयेची बॅटरी यूज केल्या आनी हे बॅटरीन आमी सगळ्याक सप्लाय दितात. हे 2 मोटर, सकयलो मोटर एक्स एक्सीस यूज करता, जे पायप आमकां रायट आनी लेफ्ट मोशन व्हरपाक. वयलो मोटर आहा तो वाय एक्सीस यूज करता, म्हणजे वयर आनी सकयल हाडूंक. हे पायप भितर गेला आनी भितर एक मोटर आसा उदक भायर मारपाक. आमी जर फाटल्यान पळय हांगा आमी कॅमेरा दवरला, मोबायल यूज केला एज अ कॅमेरा. हो आमचो मेन पार्ट. ह्या भागान आमचो एका आमी रिसिवर म्हणटात, एका आमी ट्रान्समिटर म्हणटात. हांगासान आमी सिग्नल हांगा धाडटात. जेन्ना आमी बटन दामतात तेन्ना सिग्नल हांगा येता आनी हेच्या उपरांत सगळे फंक्शन्स जावन हार्डवेअर यूज करता. आमी बॅकअप बॅटरी दवरल्या. ही जावन आसा आमचो मेन IC, आर्डिनो नॅनो IC. हे सगळे रिलेज आनी हे आमचे स्विचीस. हांगा एका USB कॉर्ड म्हणटात, हो USB कॉर्ड आमी कंप्युटराक लायतात, एटॅच करतात आनी थ्रू कंप्युटर आमकां ICन जे पळय कितें गरजेचे प्रोग्राम घाल्लेले असतात ते आमी थ्रू कंप्युटर हितून घालतात. So when we put a backward motion, the motor goes behind. When we put a front motion, forward motion, the motor goes behind. So when we go in front, when we put the pump on, it sprays. Backward motion. When we put pump off, the water goes off. My name is Sean Braganza. I'm from Thivim.
My name is Lokesh Vengalekar. I'm from Thivim.
My name is Shyamam Ngaus and I'm from Keri.
आता थोडे पणजीच्या पॉलिटेक्निकांतले प्रोजेक्ट पळोवया.
And normally we are using the single-ended robots. This we made the unique design for the fast operating and all. This is the sensor circuit we made. And, we use the servo motor for the fast application and all. Using this circuit we are controlling the all servo motors. This circuit are used to control all servo motors. All the actions of the servo motors are controlling on these circuits. For the and we use this automatic start stop switch and all. Using PLC controlling.
हांव अर्जुन नार्वेकर आनी हांव हसनावडे हांगा रावतां.
हांव विश्वानंद विश्वास नायक आनी हांव सानवडेम रावतां.
हांव तेजनाथ खांडोळकर, हांव माशेलान रावतां.
हांव शशिकांत नाणे, हांव वाळपय रावतां.
What we have here is a small scale model of a large scale HVAC system that's used in space. HVAC is basically heating, ventilation and air conditioning. The heater comes on and it heats the air till the room temperature matches the set point value. So if say the set point value is 40 degrees, the heater will keep heating the air till this room temperature matches 40 degrees, then the heater goes off. Similarly, if the set point is below the room temperature, that is if it's set below 31 degrees right now, so 25, 20, there's a chiller here. It circulates, there's a chiller here. It circulates cold water. There's a coil inside. There's a coil inside here. It circulates cold water. There's a blower here as well. And keep cooling the air until the room temperature matches the set point value, that is 25 or 20 degrees. Then the cooler shuts off. So the temperature remains constant. And of course we have SCADA over here, that is, can be interfaced to a laptop or computer, so you can get real-time changes in the temperature and the humidity, and also you can change the set point from a remote location. I'm from Panjim. I studied in the Don Bosco High School.
Myself is Vaibhav Pendikar. I'm from Talegaon.
Myself is Karshmari. I'm from Bicholim, and after 10th I have done 12 in commerce, then ITI in electrical, and now I'm studying diploma in instrumentation.
Wow, many stream changes. What made you change?
robotic and just
Your heart was always technical, is it?
yeah.
Myself, Vaman Taraf, from Amona. He has got terrific experience. Whenever I talk in the class, I have to look at him whether he approves of what I say, because he is already working in the field. He works for the contractors and all, and he already has a lot of experience. And but he is working very hard because he has to pay for his college expenses and all. He comes from Amona, right? So Amona has been paying for his expenses by working part time, but he has got a terrific reading ability. The kind of things that he has on his laptop, he has all resource material packed up on his laptop. He knows better than us which book to refer for the kind of subjects. That's the kind of effort that this guy puts. A boy from a very remote village in Amona, and I have no doubt that he will go places.
हे जे आमी प्रोजेक्ट पळयले हे पळयल्यार कितली अपुरबाय दिसता न्ही. आनी ह्या भुरग्यांक हांवें वालोर म्हणूंक जाय. म्हळ्यार तरी कितें आसा, केन्ना केन्ना आयकूं येता की थोडे आमचे गोंयचे भुरगे आपले हे फायनल इयर प्रोजेक्ट जे असतात ते आउटसोर्स करतात आनी कोणाक भायल्या मनशाक थोडे पयशे दिवन ते तयार करून घेतात. ह्या पिशांक हें कळना की हे फायनल इयर प्रोजेक्ट जे असतात तातूंतल्यान हँड्स ऑन एक्सपिरियन्स मेळटा, जे तांकां पहिल्यांदा जेन्ना ते नोकरेक वयतले तेन्ना ताचो खूब उपयोग जातलो.
आतां हो आनी भुरगो हें विचित्रशें कितें आंगार घालून कितें म्हणून करता काय? भाव भयणानो, हो जावन आसा आख्ख्या भारत देशांतल्या पॉलिटेक्निकांच्या फायनल इयर प्रोजेक्टा मदीं नॅशनल अवॉर्ड जिखपी रोबो आर्म ओ रोबोटीक हात.
Here I have built a robotic arm whose data is acquired through the potentiometer fixed on the exoskeleton. And the development of this arm is based on the microcontroller Atmega 328P. The project is mainly about the controller, which is an exoskeleton that can be worn on the body like a suit. The joints of the robot arm can be actively moved. Operators' hand movements are registered and transmitted to the robotic arm in real time. Arduino converts the analog data received from the exoskeleton to numbers. The numbers are scaled and the joint position info is converted to digital data. Digital data representing joint position are sent to the robotic arm. The data of potentiometer from the respective joint moves the respective axis of the robotic arm. It could further be developed to work on wireless communication, thus allowing the user to move in an easier, unrestricted manner and to operate it remotely. Right now I have only made the arm. The idea is to make the whole robot, the whole body of the robot. So it has to work in any place by being and being in the remote place.
Yeah. Okay. All right. What was your inspiration for doing this?
Actually, from many movies, I've created that idea.
Have you done it alone or you have some partners?
No, I've done it.
Alone? Oh my God. And how long did it take you from idea to working prototype?
Almost 1.5 years.
1.5
years.
Years. Okay. How much did it cost you to do all of this?
To do all the prototypes, one
Everything?
after the another. Everything, it cost around 13 to 14.
13 to 14,000.
From the start. This is the final one. Before this, there were 2-3 more.
Prototypes. Okay.
So the final, now to create this one, it cost around 3 to 4,000.
Now that you have the blueprint.
Yeah. I have everything, all the info, all the structure, everything. It will come to 4,000. When I presented this, my exoskeleton control robotic arm at Pro Utsav at KK Polytechnic Nashik, it was a national level event and I won the first prize for this project.
Robotics guru here, Pranav Vendekar for you.
First is, I've seen a lot of projects. This is like seriously one of the best.
Thank you.
This I'm saying because I've seen like really lots of them. The fact that we build robots for a lot of commercial use, I know it's not so simple to make it move that accurately the way it moves, because I saw that moment your hand moves, that there's no lag. When we build some really great things, right? Problem here in India, or even if you go to big